is going on, my YouTube friends? Man, I'm telling you, we're going to start working on the bottom of this Fairmont this morning. Well, actually, it's not morning anymore, it's afternoon. We had to go pick up the wife's car. Looks really good. Looks like she almost had a new paint job put on it. It looks that good. And the car's only, what, 2 years old? But anyhow, let's get back to the Fairmont. So, I got some Dawn dish soap mixed with some water in a spray bottle. And Dawn dish soap is really a great degreaser. It really is. They use Dawn dish soap for a lot of things. To take off wax off cars, to clean little oily duckies and stuff that got in trouble with oil in the sea and stuff like that on oil spills. So Dawn dish soap really is an amazing soap. It really is. And it don't smell bad. So, but it's what I do. I put it in a squirt bottle like this, mixed with some water, and I kind of use that as a degreaser a little bit. And I'll show you what I've done so far. I got my little pad here, and I take and squirt some Dawn dish soap and stuff on there and get it cleaned up a little bit. And so you can see, where it's been right here, but I gotta get up in here better and stuff like that still, take me a little scraper, scrape some of the real heavy, thick stuff off. But, that Dawn dish soap, it works pretty good, but we're gonna change into that. So I'm gonna start using my Totally Awesome. And we're gonna finish getting the rest of this stuff off the bottom of this bottle. Now, I just took the little bottle and put the squirter on the bigger bottle. Yeah, I'm crazy. And so we'll just get in here, get it worked up, get color. There we go, see that? Just like a charm, but this stuff will make you choke. So we'll put it on there and let it soak in good. And then we'll scrape and whatever it takes we need to do to get her to clean up. And then once I get most of the heavy stuff on there and stuff like that, then I'll get the car and set the car so that way we can take the high pressure washer to it and wash this thing up good, So, and you can see the soap suds are already starting to turn dirty color. So it's Totally Awesome. It works pretty good, man. I use it for a lot of stuff. My wife uses it for the kitchen and everything like that. Yeah, all the good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this stuff soak in. I'm gonna scrub it off a little bit and I will bring you all back. Yeah, buddy, it just takes a little time. But it's a lot better for you because you ain't gotta watch the whole thing. All right, so, I'll bring you back. Like it says, with a little elbow grease, looks a lot better, don't it, guys, huh? Yes, it does. It's a good thing I got a drain in here. But I didn't high pressure wash it. I just used my hose. See my hose sitting right here? I just used the hose. And it's come, 90% cleaner. And I'm telling you, this Totally Awesome stuff is what it says it is. It's Totally Awesome. I got a few spots down here that I missed, but most part of it came off. Yeah, so, we got lots and lots and lots to do. So I just kind of figure I'd give you a quick run up on what's going on, what I'm doing. I still got to do the bottom part here. I haven't done that yet. But, it does. It looks 99%, at least 90% different, right? Yeah. All righty. All right, guys, I'll bring you back. Sorry about that. Get a little better video right here, what's going on. But anyhow, so this, you see all this right here? This right there? This was the same way all up here, and I still got to get up in this corner and stuff like that. But this is what was all up in here. And so I went ahead and I scrubbed that. And now I got to do this, bottom side right here. And the wifey's got some things she wants to do, so I might be put on hold for the rest of the day. We'll wait and see what she says, but I want to keep working at it. So I figured I'd just make a quick video and show you what's going on. And let me turn this around. Alrighty then. So anyhow, I got the bottom wheel well cleaned. The bottom, well, that would be the driver's side. Up there would be the passenger side. But anyhow, right now, that's the bottom, that's the top. So anyhow, I got this one right down here, I cleaned out good. I'm working on the floorboards before I flip the car more this way so I can get that top one done, which would be the passenger side. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate you coming, checking me out, watching me. Sorry it's such a short video. I know you don't want to see me sit here, you know, wax on, wax off. I know you don't want to see all that because I don't even want to see it. Plus my arm, you know, it's getting that workout. I need to start working out the left side so they match. All right, man, you guys are all awesome. Thank you very much for coming, watching my videos. Without you, there's no reason for me to make these. You guys have a great rest of your day. Oh yeah, and one other thing. You know, I guess since you've worked since during this pandemic, you can go to a community college and it for absolutely nothing. So I worked for it. I'm going to find out what's going on with that, and if it is, I might take me a body shop class. What do you guys think about that? I think it'll help a lot. All right, guys. Thanks.